technology, digital transformation, innovation. Are you ready for the new world of business? At LaSalle, you'll become part of a new generation ready to lead a constantly evolving digital and technological business world. The Bachelor in Management of Business and Technology has been redesigned to combine strategic global management with a deep understanding of how technology and artificial intelligence are transforming traditional business models. You will share classes with students from all over the world and have access to study tours. Besides, you can apply for exchange programs and dual degrees with other international universities. And with our Learning by Challenge methodology, you will tackle real challenges and put theory into practice from the very beginning. From day one, you'll work on real projects provided by top companies, staying fully aligned with the real needs of the market. The 4-year program provides you with a global vision of business, incorporates the latest innovation and technology practices, and offers a personalized learning path adapted to your goals, ensuring you develop skills that meet the real demands of today's market. You can further specialize through different minors and become an expert in digital marketing, the digital economy, or sports management. At LaSalle, you will become a professional with a high level of employability in leading companies. Turn your potential into your future. LaSalle, Ramon Llull University.